And inside the Fountain Bleu, as you exit out towards Circus Circus, you will see this thing. It gets quite a lot of attention here. And it's arrt called Breakfast 2009. It's a kinetic sculpture of the dynamism of the world's oceans with the arid landscape of Las Vegas. 483 motorized elements known as brixels. This place mimics the motion of the sea surface. The sculpture is alive with the pulse of the planet's waters, each motion formed by real-time oceanographic data sourced from over 100 coastal cities globally. And a rhythmic cycle oceans undergoes a metamorphosis every few minutes, transforming its undulating patterns to represent the aquatic conditions of a newly featured city. As viewers approach and raise their hand, the sculpture responds, integrating their impression in the aquatic tableau. In this exchange, the observer becomes the co-creator of their present feeding and pending the oceans, blurring the lines between art, technology, and the environment. The sculpture is currently visualized to the tide on the coast of Honolulu, Hawaii, USA. Alright. Woo! Neat, eh? Nice. That's Vegas for you, all's full of creativity. I don't have much time here at Fountain Bleu, but I'm glad to go to see this. And now you've seen it all too. Because here you are with me. Alright, wave goodbye everyone. Like, subscribe, and stay foxy.